Hello fam, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's make our vision board. I'm so excited. Basically, this is the frame I'm gonna be using for my vision board. This frame I got from IKEA. I didn't get it for vision board, of course. I just got like for decor purpose, but it came out to be like broken. There is a dent here. I don't know if you can see. So now I'm using it for vision board, and these are the prints. Let me tell you, this is my first vision board of my entire life, and I'm so excited. A lot of planning about it. This is my book. On 31st December only, I planned everything in every areas of my life: relationship, career, finances, fitness, and mindset. So these are my categories, and I wrote very specific goals which I really want to achieve. For example, if my goal is to get a like very fit body, abs in particularly, then I have to be in calorie deficit. I really have to cut out sugar. I have to work out every at least 4 to 5 times a week. This is how you make goals. So some are very achievable goals which I think I'll be able to do in next few months only, and some would really require me to work really hard, but I am all into it. So yeah, this year is gonna be very busy, and I'm really excited and nervous at the same time. To be honest, I was too nervous. I was so nervous and had this feeling that I am not able to do anything, or I haven't achieved anything. Like I'm feeling very lost. मैं ये vision board अभी first को बना रही हूँ, so you already know that I've started so late because मुझे लग रहा था even if I make a vision board, what is going to happen? But you know, I felt like it will give me clarity that this is my goal, and when I will see it every single day, somehow it will push me to work towards it. Otherwise, if I move to in this year without any clarity in my mind, then maybe I will repeat the same mistakes again. Maybe मैं ऐसे बिना directionless होके कुछ भी करती रहूंगी पूरा दिन, क्योंकि मुझे दिखेगा नहीं। और ये विजन बोर्ड से क्या होगा, एक प्रेशर क्रिएट हो जाएगा। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, तुमने अपना कुछ ड्रीम शेयर कर दिया अपने किसी फ्रेंड या रिलेटिव या whoever जिससे भी, तो तुम्हें एक प्रेशर सा फील होने लगता है ना कि शिट, मैंने अब नहीं किया तो वो क्या सोचेगा। वैसा ही जैसे मैंने विजन बोर्ड में अपने ड्रीम्स और जहाँ मैं खुद को देखना चाहती हूँ इन द नेक्स्ट ईयर वो डाल दिया ना, मतलब एक सेंस ऑफ प्रेशर फील होने लगा कि शिट, आई हैव मेड दीज गोल्स फॉर माई सेल्फ। अब अगर मैंने ये नहीं किया तो ये कॉन्स्टेंट प्रेशर मुझे फोर्स करेगा कि मुझे ये करना है। मैंने अपने विजन बोर्ड में एक ये गर्ल का जिसके एब्स हैं ये फोटो लगाया है। What it will do, it will remind me every single day, see, this is the body you want to achieve. So no matter how you are feeling this day, you have to go to the gym, work really hard so that you can get this body. No matter what you are feeling, you have to eat healthy so that you can get this body. It will remind me every single day, and since I live alone, I will hang this vision board in front of my bed and my desk, so I will see it every single day. So now let's start. My vision board is done. Finally, it took longer than expected. It was very therapeutic experience. I feel like putting on a paper, like cutting every picture, you just kind of feel like कि आप वो ड्रीम देख रहे हो और ऐसा लगता है कि एक दिन वो ड्रीम आपका हो सकता है। एंड पता नहीं, देयर इज समथिंग अबाउट इट, एंड आई थिंक इट मेक्स यू क्लोजर टू योर बचपन का क्रिएटिविटी वाला पार्ट, जो कि आई डोंट इवन रिमेंबर द लास्ट टाइम आई मेड अ कोलाज लाइक दिस। आई थिंक यू ऑल शुड मेक इट। अभी तक नहीं बनाया है तो अभी बना लो, बिकॉज what if what you put into this comes true. Why not we think of it like कि सब कुछ अच्छा ही होगा, कि that everything will work out in our favor. It will give you some motivation. मुझे लगता है कि जब मैं इसको रोज़ देखूंगी तो it will make you feel like you know this is what I want, this is what I want, this is where I want to be. So work, because जब आप ऐसे बैठी होंगी मैं और जब मैं स्क्रॉल कर रही होंगी सामने ये लगा होगा तो मेरे दिमाग में शिट स्मृति क्या कर रही है, दिस इज व्हाट यू आर सपोज टू डू, तुम्हें यहाँ पहुँचना है. इट विल कीप रिमाइंडिंग यू ऑफ योर गोल्स, स्पेशली व्हेन यू आर लिविंग अलोन एंड नो वन इज एक्चुअली देयर टू कीप रिमाइंडिंग यू why you have to work so hard. So I think making a vision board is totally a worth trying, and we'll see next year where I'll be going to be. और I'm so excited जब मैं next year इस vision board का review दूंगी कि मैंने क्या कर लिया क्या नहीं. I really loved in this vision board is stick to the plan, not your mood. I think this is the best thing. On that note, this was my first YouTube video and I'm really planning to see you guys every weekend. And yeah, signing off, Dr. Smriti. I love you all so much.